Friends, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market. So let's see the live price prediction of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies, as you can see here on the ground on the screen. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and cross my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hours of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. The trend is positive 2.5%, and the high price in the last 2 hours of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies is $0.1690921 is a high price in the last 2 hours of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. As you can see now, the current price of the Zilliqa cryptocurrencies as $0.1600921 is the current price of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. As you can see here, the graph of the Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So at the end of this hour, at the now the Zilliqa cryptocurrency start jumping, so it's the best time to buy Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and make a good profit by Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of last 2 hours you are watching now. So let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour? As you can see here, the last 1 hour result is very good. As you can see here, the change is positive 0.51%, and the high price is $0.1600921 is a high price is the last 1 hour result. As you can see here, I said you again, it's the best time to buy a Zilliqa cryptocurrencies and make a good profit. As you can see here, it's the jumping time of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. That is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies market.